having Whisper as your teammate soon?
I think he's a very good young talent. He's training, he's performing really well. And he's got a lot of developing to do, but he's got a bright future ahead of him.
What really has to do?
I think just staying hard-working and just staying concentrated and not get distracted by all the outside stuff. And if he just works on his craft, then he can go far.
What have you seen of him though? Do you think he can make it?
He's very fast. He's got a good left foot on him. He can finish. He's very physical for a young age as well. So, yeah.
Thank you.
And home style. First of all, how does it feel to be home? How does it feel to be in Jamaica playing football?
Yeah, it's always a good experience to play for your club and country. At a young age, my dad never thought I would play for Jamaica, so it's been a good experience, and we'll see for the future.
You were one of the standout players today, in a tough loss. How do you feel after today's defeat?
Yeah, it's difficult, it's a still new squad. We're still getting used to each other. The pitch isn't the greatest as well, so there's a lot of conditions with it, but we've got a game on Tuesday, so that's what we have to focus on now.
All right. At what point do you think you guys can improve most upon after today's game?
I think there's always room to improve on everything. It's difficult, because international you don't really get much training sessions together. But I think, step by step, day by day, you just have to keep staying concentrated, going through over the clips and games, and just working hard. Yeah,
obviously these games are just a tune-up for the Nations League game. How do you think these can help you guys towards Mexico in a few weeks?
As I said, just training together. You're not going to get that many days to train, because it's not every day you train with each other. So I think every day you just have to take it as it comes and just work together and communicate.
All right, good game, Omari.
Thank you.
Omari,